Here is a wonderful 2020 Honda Pilot. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a Honda Pilot, the refined, spacious family SUV that keeps you safe, comfortable, and in command on every adventure. From all-weather and towing capability to comfortable cruising, it's the ultimate family vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, power passenger seat, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels. Enjoy the feeling of confidence you'll have on every road trip in this comfortable and capable Honda Pilot. Come in for a test drive today.